Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add slow zoom to your videos in CapCut PC. You can either use keyframes, add a keyframe here and add it at the very end, and scale it just a little bit to make the zoom slow like this. You can also use the zoom from effects here, but the animation is just way better. The zoom lens one, I think it's under lens. I guess there was a slow zoom here, but now I think they removed it. They do still have the mini zoom one, but the easiest one you can do is just to add a keyframe at the beginning. And then at the end, you're just going to scale it and it's going to add another keyframe to create the slow zoom. That is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!